UKRJET demonstrated the UJ-23 Topaz jet drone with a flight range of 400 km. The UJ-23 Topaz is a multi-role, jet-powered unmanned aircraft system that can be used at any time of the day or season, including in adverse weather conditions, and countering enemy electronic warfare. The UJ-23 can perform missions for reconnaissance and military operations. The company also demonstrated a mobile ground control station and antenna system that is used to control the UJ-22 airborne and UJ-23 Topaz drones. Technical characteristics of the UJ-23 Topaz UAV: maximum radius of controlled flight, 100 km, maximum autonomous flight range, 400 km, maximum speed, 800 km/h, cruising speed, 600 km/h, flight altitude, minimum, 50 m, maximum, 6,000 m, complex deployment time, 5 minutes, crew 2 people.